Never been. Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, I hope that you love it. If you're returning, thank you. I challenged myself. I told myself I'm going to challenge myself to do Vlogtober. However, time came and we're not going to do that. We are getting straight into it. One thing about my family and I, we will cook up a stove, take the whole day to cook and then eat after sunset. But you feel like family to me. Luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. La 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 First kilometer down. Can't see that, but I'm like 4 kilometers in, going to 5. I'm listening to the Bible study with Rorisang Tandegiso. And my, the word is mind-blowing. So good, so good. I highly recommend that. Saying no to self and yes to God. That is from the scriptures, Matthew 16 from 21 to 28. It was in the Bible study from last week. So I really recommend. Go and check it out. It's really good. I am obsessed.
I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring.
For you. Ah, this is so cute.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Oh, gas, gas. This ain't what you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be home, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind, be my ride. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up down. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you're grateful that I stayed down. We either past in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my ride. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up.
We have come to the end of this vlog. I hope that you really enjoyed it, and if you've come up to this far, please leave me a heart down below so that I know that you reached this point. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you watching. I appreciate you engaging with my content.